Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be reviewing the Huion Kamvas Pro 19 4K pen display. Before we open the box, I'm going to talk a little bit about the outside image. So in the past, there have been some designs from different artists on the box itself. Today, most of these companies are going with a recycled material, which is more like cardboard and then very minimal. Yeah, so there's that. And then without further ado, let's get it open. So I'm going to take off the display and I'm going to show that a little later. So out of the box, we have this pamphlet here. Kind of shows you where to do the installation for the device, accessories it comes with, nothing too fancy. And then you have some paperwork, the calibration report. Okay, so we have the power cable. Then we have the USB-C and USB-C for video, I believe. And then the pen case. Power adapter. A drawing glove. Cleaning cloth. And the key dial mini. Okay, so here are the cables it comes with. We have the power brick here, which is a USB-C brick. Then the power cable. And then within it as well, it has a USB connection and a USB-C connection as well. So depending on what connectivity your computer has. And then you have another USB-C to USB-C and a USB-C to video. I've seen some reviews where they've tried doing it with a single cable, and they say it doesn't work, but I did encounter a Reddit post where somebody was able to use it with a hub. So I'm going to be trying to do that versus doing the power cable and brick. So on my next review, when I set it up and use it, I will see if it works. Okay, this is the key dial mini from them. So the charger is going to be a USB-C and then a USB for the other end for the computer. So unlike in the past, it used to come with the same controller, but it was silver. Now it's like a space gray color. First impressions out of the box, it feels a little cheap. It's very light, but I'm going to say not in a good way. It just doesn't feel premium compared to other controllers that other companies make. So yeah, we'll see on that. You could use it either plugged in or with Bluetooth, as you can see. It has a little light up function, which is nice. Okay, put this aside for now. And this is the drawing glove it comes with. So it feels nice. It does have, compared to previous years, it has more of a pad here on the side. So if you don't know what this is, essentially it helps you remove any oil, prevent any oil from getting on the screen when you're drawing, which is nice. So quality feels good. I like that they include it with it. It's definitely very useful once you start using one. This is the cleaning cloth it comes with. So first impressions is it's very cheap. It doesn't feel premium at all. Personally, I'm not going to use it. I have another one that's a little bit better quality, but if it just feels very stiff, it doesn't feel nice at all. So yeah, but this is the cloth, and it has a little emblem from their company there. This is their new pen holder. So they've updated their pen holders with this new display tablet, the 19th and the 27th. So it comes with two pins actually, which is nice. So a slim version of the pin, and they still have erasers, which is very nice. Two buttons on the side, and then you have a bigger version of it. This one has 3 buttons instead of only 2. Same thing, has an eraser. And then it comes with your plastic nibs and then your felt nibs as well. The other cool thing with this is these little holes here are for holding them. And I do like that the holes are deep enough where if you're moving your hand around a lot, you're not going to accidentally knock it over. So it has a pretty good amount of, I'd say, weight on the case. And this one, unlike the Key Dial Mini, feels nice. It feels premium. So whatever material they used on this, I think, would be a really good addition if they added to the controller itself. But this feels really nice compared to what they used to have. But yeah, this is the pen holder here. All right, and then this is the display itself. So again, I got the 19-inch version of this display tablet. It also comes in a 27. So it does have a matte coating on it, which is essentially helpful for when you're drawing. It has more of a paper feel. Initial thoughts is it's hefty. It feels nice. It feels premium. I had purchased a 24-inch version of their tablet a while back, and it was a little more plasticky, but this is a step in the right direction. It feels very nice. It has 2 feet here in the back, which are retractable. So helpful if you don't have a stand. Speaking of stands, I do have 2 of their versions that they recommend with this tablet. I'll do a separate review on those. But this is nice. So if you don't have to go out and buy an extra stand if the budget doesn't allow. These holes here allow you to do a VESA mount adapting. But yeah, feels nice. It feels hefty. I'd say it's portable enough to where if you want to take it out with you, you can. You probably just need a bigger bag. But yeah, look out for that next review where I actually plug it in, test it out for a couple days, see if I like it or not. So this is what all comes out in the box. So the pen holder with 2 pins, a slim and a bigger size pin. These 2 holes are for holding the pins themselves. They do have new technology now, which is their PenTech 4.0. Power brick adapter, your cleaning cloth, Key Dial Mini, power cables, and a drawing glove. So next video I'll be plugging it in, trying it out, my thoughts. But initial thoughts, just by what comes in the box, I'd say maybe 8.5, 9. I really like the feel and the look of the display itself. It feels very premium. Same thing with the pen holder. The only thing I really hate is this controller. It just feels very out of place with everything else that feels more of a premium feel. This one just feels very plasticky, flimsy. So maybe in the future they can improve upon that. Same thing with the cloth that's included. Again, it feels very cheap. It feels almost like a paper towel instead of a cleaning cloth. But yeah, those are my thoughts. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Thank you.